So moving forward, let's take up question number 4 of this paper. Let fx is mod of x minus 2 and gx is f of fx. X is in the interval 0 to 4. We have to find integral 0 to 3 gx minus fx. Let's understand what the question is talking about. If we draw the coordinate system like this, now mod of x minus 2, we know that mod of x minus 2 meaning this one. Correct? So in this fashion we can draw mod of x minus 2 function, which is fx function. Question is integral 0 to 3 gx minus fx. Let's plan gx as well. For gx, this is f of fx. That means let's write down gx is mod of mod x minus 2 minus 2. Mod of x minus 2 minus 2, it's modulus. Okay, fine. When you have mod of x minus 2 minus 2, it means it is pulled downwards 2 units. Then again modulus is being taken. So what is going to happen in this case? So it is being traced like this here. Then it goes in this fashion. Again it goes like this. I'm sure this is clear. All right. So starting the required result, that is integral 0 to 3 gx minus fx dx. When you integrate the function gx, this function is gx and this function is fx. Correct? So 0 to 3 meaning till this point. When you find the area, what is this? This is half into this portion, meaning 4 into this height minus this particular portion. Correct? Which portion? This is half into 1 into 1. So we observe it is 8 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 7 by 2. I'm sure this part is clear. Minus integral of fx in the same interval. Fx meaning this portion. So here we find this one will be half into 2 into 2 for this triangle. Just add this one which we have already obtained earlier. So we have 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2 giving you 2 by 2 or simply 1. Now let's check out from the given options. We can see option number 4 includes the same result as required, that is 1. So I'm sure this question is clear. Time to take up the next one. The integral x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square dx is equal to, I'm sure you must have solved it for your board exams as well. All right, let's begin with this question. I is equal to integral x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. What we used to do for this question, we multiply and divide by cos x and we write here x upon cos x dx so that we can count it as two functions, right? And we can apply by parts. This function is the second one and this one is treated as the first one. Because when you say x sin x plus cos x is t, its derivative comes to be x cos x dx, this becomes dt. So this term is dt upon t. Getting my point? So on integrating by parts, it is x upon cos x into minus 1 upon x sin x plus cos x minus integral. Now here the derivative of the first function, which is x upon cos x, we observe it comes to be cos x plus x sin x upon cos square x into integral is the same function, that is minus 1 upon x sin x plus cos x. Dx is also there. So I'm sure this part is clear. Now what we observe here, that this part is cancelled with this one. We are left with dx upon cos square x after taking this minus sign outside. So we have minus x sec x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus tan x plus constant of integration. Let's check out from the given options, do we have in the same form or further changed? When you look at the options, option 1 is exactly same format. So yes, that's the required result for this question. That is first. I'm sure this is clear. Time to take up the next question, that is question number 6. A matrix is given 2 by 2 order, which is cos theta, I sin theta, cos theta. A5 is given as ABCD, then which one of the following is not true? Let's try. This is very standard one. A equals cos theta, I sin theta, cos theta. When you go for this power A5, you observe that it is cos 5 theta, iota sin 5 theta, iota sin 5 theta, cos 5 theta. In fact, if you go for power n, you will get cos n theta, I sin n theta, I sin n theta, cos n theta. Now this is given to me ABCD. Let's look at the options now. Option 1 says a square minus b square. This is a, this is b. When you go for a square minus b square, what you will be obtaining? A square minus b square is 1. So this is not correct. This is what the question is asking for. Which of the following is not correct? Yes, option number 1 is not correct. So this is the required result. If we want, we can check, cross verify others. A square minus c square, this is also 1. So here we can say this is also equal to a square minus c square. So option 2 is correct. So not required, because the question is saying which one of the following is not true. So this is true. Next statement is saying a square minus d square. So this is same, meaning equal to 0. So this value is also correct. So it is not the required choice. When you go for a square plus b square, you are getting cos tan theta, right? Where theta is pi by 24. So yes, this value is between 0 to 1. This is also correct. So these options are not acceptable, as the question was which of the following is not true. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 7. Given the following two statements, S1 and S2. S1 is saying it's a tautology. S2 is saying it's a fallacy. Question says only S1 is correct. Both S1 and S2 are correct. Only S2 is correct. Both S1 and S2 are incorrect. Let's check out. When you talk about this particular one, you have to form truth table for it. So let's go for this truth table formation. Let's form a bigger one, because you have to put many entries over here. Now write here P, Q, negation P, negation Q. Correct? What we are looking for? We are looking for here these values. So let's start writing T, 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 F, F, T, F, F. Correct? Now negation P, just reverse, negation Q, just reverse. So this is F, F, T, T, F, T, F, T. Moving forward, we have Q or P. Q or P. So Q or P, if even one is true, the result will be true. So let's write down T, 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 F. Next, P if and only if negation Q. Now the statement if and only if is false when both the inputs are different. Is it clear? So when both the inputs are different, P and negation Q, in this one, 1, 2. When both are different, like TF and FT, in this case it will be false. Let's say this is R. Just to put it in the table, I'm writing it R. So now this is false, this is true, this is true, this is false. Next, negation Q we have already written. negation P if and only if Q. Negation P and Q. Correct? This is the second statement, this is the first statement. The result will be false when both are different. When both are different, so let's say this is S, this is false, this result is true, this result is true, this result is also false. I have taken this one as S. So now it is the time to go for statements S1 and S2. Let's say here S1 and here S2. S1 is if this term then R. First one is basically this one, correct? If Q or P then R. If then statement is false when only second statement is false. So here if then statement only second is false, meaning this one, so here it will be false and rest of the terms would be true. So clearly S1 is not a tautology. So this is not correct. Now when you say it is not correct, 3 or 4, any of the two can be true. Moving forward, fallacy. Negation Q and S. Negation Q and S. Here you see that when both are true, the result will come as true, and fallacy means all false. Let's check out here. This is false. This is true. So clearly it is not a fallacy. It is confirmed for now. So this is true false meaning false. So clearly this is also not correct because there is one true. So correct answer is option number 4, that both S1 and S2 are not correct. So let's mention this is our required result. I am sure this is also clear. Time to move on to the next question now.